Hello, I'm Deepak, working as a product manager at Office Solution. I'm going to showcase top and bar chart. So for top and bar chart, we have two kinds of functionality. One is for user and another one is for developer. Developer, we have this value field X, value field Y and tooltip. So that whatever value you want to show on the x-axis, you will enter it on value field X, then Y values on the value field Y. Then we have a tooltip option. Suppose you want to add anything else, then you can add it in the tooltip. And then for the formatting options, we have numerical value formatter. You can use it to format your numbers. And then we have bar text alignment. You can change the bar text position. And then we have axis labels. You can change the axis label, make it as month. You can see. Then we have tooltip options. You can select the tooltip. Let me change it to orange. You can see that level is getting changed. So these options we have for developer. Now for users we have the settings icon. So you can see that by toggling the trend line button you can on and off the trend line. Then we have numerical axis. You can change the numerical values. Then we have this top n where we will have the option to select top 5, top 10 or top 15. This will be based on your number of bars. So you can see that top 5 values are getting plotted. Let me select top 10 and let me select as all. You can see all bars we have now. Let me select top 5 and show you enable others. Okay, for enabling others option we have this option. So what it will do, it will select all the 5 values, top 5 values, and whatever is left it will aggregate the data and show as others. Now let me off it. Now we have reference values. You can see the reference value has been drawn. Let me off it. You can see we are toggling it. Let me increase some value and show it on the middle part. Okay, so you can see that we can toggle it. Now we have option of sort option of ascending and descending. So that's it for the top and bar chart. Thank you.